Hey, good morning, Howard and Dannon. Per Dannon's request, I'm giving you guys what I believe is a video rendering of what y'all are looking for on the ends of, you said, or Dannon said the ends, and I'm assuming this is what he means. So let me go to this end, and then of course I'll get the other one also. And I'm going to stop the video and switch the ends out and then start the video again. But here's the ends of that. And trying to be smooth and not be choppy. Okay, stand by. Okay, coming back at you now. And I believe it's this end y'all want to see. So that's rust, but it's smooth. There's no pitting. I think that's what y'all are looking for. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, something else I want to ask. What benefit can I give these steering racks or any steering racks in the blasting process? Can these lines be reused? I think they can be. Take them off and blast them and then get them re-zinced. Again, I don't know your processes or procedures, but I'm asking if there's anything I can do here to help the process. Meaning, I'm not trying to say that you guys don't have a process. I'm sure you do, but I'm the blaster guy, and I'm just, of course, looking to do anything here on my own. This one was painted, and the paint held up pretty well over the years. This is the S4 rack, and that one's the 79 rack right there. So I don't know, do you guys just put new lines on? Are they available? Or do you make them yourself? Or can I blast these, take them off here, blast them, get them re-anodized or re-zinced, and then put them back on and send it to you? Can this body benefit from being media blasted? I can do it, but I don't want to assume anything or take any steps that's out of order. And maybe you got a whole thing there you can do, but I'm just curious if there's anything you want me to do or I can do prior to sending these off to you. Okay, thanks.